DYNX stock analysis and price predictions for 10th of August and Monday. 11th of August, Monday, is it a buy or not? I'm breaking all that down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, as the only guy in the space with a track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience, I have seen what's working for me and what's not. Especially DYNX. This is such a bearish market. Holy crap. Like, I'm gonna just take this. These are the lows. And I mean, this is tough, but the only thing that's not gonna make me be bearish is a full candle close above 12 bucks. You know what I mean? Like, beforehand I had the sell side prediction and it delivered. And ultimately, if it does not pump up a bit and it gives me a shift, then I'm not going to look to buy. Sell side here, I'm not even going to bother because I don't like the sell side on the Dynamix. So yeah, I'll follow other ticker symbols and be patient in this. The only thing that's going to make it be bullish is a proper shift. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.